Timpfula ta matimba eLimpopo ti onhe ngopfu mapatu na miako, tindhawu ta ethulamela na tona a ti ponangi, mabiloho na mapatu swi onhakile.
The heavy rains has affected us very drastically. Our disasters office are still assessing the damage caused by these heavy rains. The following bridges have been affected. That is Chibiri, Chiroba, Tshinga, Zverani, Mutare, Fondo, Zimauri and others. Some of our gravel road has been washed away. Our third roads around the CBD has been damaged.
Kambe mpfula leyi a hi yona ntsena nga onha patu leri. Vaaki va vula leswaku patu a ri nga ri kahle ni le masunguleni, kambe ka vaaki va Gapane mpfula yi lo engeteleka ti-pothole to chavisa eka mapatu ya tindhawu ta vona.
After this rain, the road is continuing to be bad, and we don't know what to do.
The water sweeps the soil, and then it makes the potholes. So it's very much dangerous for the vehicles or for the pedestrians and the vehicles to pass on this road.
Tindhawu tin'wana eLimpopo ku katsa Motsi kusuhi na Groblersdal, Bowback na Gachweni ti onhakile. Va tiva karhi ku langutisa hi laha mapatu ma nga onhaka ha kona.
We have received information that the road infrastructure in some parts of our province has been damaged following the recent rains, and as the department and our agency RAL will dispatch a team of engineers to the affected areas for them to start conducting assessments to determine the extent of the damage caused by the recent rains. We also want to take this opportunity and urge motorists to drive with care and extra caution in areas where our roads are flooded.
Hi hala tlhelo bavumbi ta maxelo South African Weather Service va vula leswaku ka ha ta va na timpfula ta matimba ku fikela mundzuku. Swi nga leswi va ndzawulo ya vutleketli va na xitsundzuxo eka vachayeri.
The South African Weather Service has issued an alert for more rainfall over much of Limpopo from Sunday, the 12th of February 2023, continuing to Tuesday. Some showers may be persistent and locally heavy, which may result in some impacts, especially for those traveling on the roads.
Akubangana swiviko swa lava nga vaviseka. Hi hala tlhelo Ndhumbhi khukhule mapatu ni swiporo etindhawini ta le Mpumalanga. Etindhawini tin'wana ta le Nkomazi ni le Bushbuck Ridge vaaka ndhawu a va ha koti kusuka eka muganga un'wana va ya eka muganga akelana. Vanhu vambirhi va lovile ku tlhele ku nyamalala vanharhu laha ku tshembiwaka leswaku va nwerile. Andile Mkhanjwa hi un'wana wa vona. Swi na mavhiki mambirhi a nyamalarile.
We are not satisfied by, but we do have that hope. But I'm told. Why do I say so? The way they are doing, the divers, they do maybe for 30 minutes the time, and we are worried about the time.
Xiporo xa ka Transnet exikarhi ka Mbombela na Nkomarti Port xi onhakile. Leswi swi kavanyeta vutleketli bya nhundzu yo fana ni malahla ni khromo. Magondzo ma kukhuriwile. Hambi ku ri swikolo a swi ponanga ku phalala swi sungurile.
We bought about 500 blankets. We bought about 500 hygiene pack. We got clothes for the victims because we know that they lost everything. So we got clothes for them, and then the information we got that there was no electricity on those villages. So we bought about candles and matches for the village to get a light.
Edzongeni wa Thekwana eMbombela ku onha ka swona swi bihe ngopfu eka lava tshamaka ekusuhi kumbe etlhelo ka milambu ni tindhawu leti nga ehansi. Va honise switsundzuxo swa leswaku va nga aki ekusuhi ni milambu.
It is no longer safe to stay here, especially because our house have been damaged by the water. We would like to be assisted with a proper place to build houses. We found ourselves here because we could not get a stand to build. We have lost everything, such as bed, blankets and food. We only managed to take out few clothes.
Purasi leri ri tele hi mati hi ku helela. Pfula yo tala yi languteriwe eka vhiki leri.